My pal, hope you're okay. Today I want to share with you this very cute and easy to make witch costume. There is better shots of our daughter wearing these that you'll see at the end, but she's decided she wants to read a monster book.
Mummy, read.
Well, I'll read this now for you. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this. So for the first part of this costume, I just have a plain black long sleeve. I just bought this from eBay in our daughter's size. I have these flat back black gems. They're faceted on the front that I'll show you it properly in a moment. And I also have some trusty gem tack glue. This is washable and permanent, and I absolutely love this stuff. And other than that, I've just got an old program just to stick it in the top so the glue doesn't seep through. Just show you maybe a little bit better that they are faceted at the front and then just flat on the back. And hopefully you can see, I know it's black and black so it was not the best, but I've just done a quick pattern how I think I'd like them laid out. I certainly won't ever put the heart ones on any clothes I'm going to be wearing, so I thought I'd use them up on hers. And now I'm just going to use that gem tack just to glue it all on. So I just have them glued on. Obviously I'm just going to let it dry probably overnight before I do anything more. For the skirts you'll want some tulle. I'm using this 100% black. I've got 6-inch width and it's a 100-yard roll. You'll want some elastic. The reason I have a pair of her pyjama pants here is because to get the, excuse the flash, to get the measurements and stuff, for having to measure her waist and then subtract inches and so on and so forth, I've just done the circumference of the waistband and plus a little extra so I can sew it. And then I'm also going to use, excuse my feet there, tape measure to measure how long against her pyjama pants that I'm going to cut the tulle. Just it's easier because, you know, she's a toddler, she's not going to stand still long enough for me to do this properly, so this is what I'm doing. And I measured it against the pyjama pants, and I know I want them at 15 inches, so you need to double up your tulle, so I've measured it to 30 inches, just cut the first piece. I'm going to line up everything to match this one now. So now I've got all the tulle cut out, I've just placed the elastic that I've sewn around just as actually in my sewing box, just so it's going to be easier for me to loop the tulle all the way around, because other than sewing the waistband, which obviously you can glue, this is going to be a no-sew tutu. So you take your waistband, elastic band, whatever you're using. I'm just using some tulle from an old skirt just to show you. So you want to get your length and fold it in half and make sure you still have a loop. You're going to put it underneath your waistband. Make sure you still have that loop, and then you're going to pull the tail through and you're going to want to tighten it. Be careful how you tighten it because you can stretch your elastic, and I would recommend using your elastic over a box or a piece of card, something like that, just to keep it sturdy for you. But that is what you're going to do to make your skirt. Now there's not a way I can really film this without her wearing it to make this look good, but after 40 minutes you should have something that looks like this. So I'm just going to get her to try it on, double check that the elastic hasn't stretched too much whilst I've been working with it. One more twirl, I need to check. Thank you. Go on, one more. It's a little bit big on the waist, I think. It's more on your butt. This is our daughter's witch costume all laid out. She's got the tutu I made and the top. We just found this bamboo and coir broom at, I think it was Tesco. I think it was something like £1.50. Found this little plastic cauldron from Asda for £1. I'm not sure where the witch hat is from because it's something my parents bought for her. It's a very cute with little glitter bats on. And now I'm going to show it to her for the first time. So this is what it looks like on. I'd suggest having some tights, black or black and white stripes, something like that. and boots. We do have them for her, but our daughter currently has chickenpox and she doesn't like things on her legs, so that's why she is barefoot at the moment. But yeah, this is what the costume is looking like. Oh dear!
Uh-oh. I'm going.
Oh no!
It is. That's it. It is.
So I hope you give this a go.